Hi dentist, let me ask one thing. Are you tired of missed calls, empty appointment slots, and chasing after patients never show up? So became a dentist to help people not do all the extra work, right? So that's why so many smart dentists are now using an amazing tool that CRM, that website builder, that follow-up expert, that booking system. So you can do all these things under one dashboard. The tool is called GoHighLevel. So let me show dive in video, and I will show you step by step how you can use these tools and do your all work. It's your front desk, or it's your receptionist who can handle all these things under these tools. So let me dive in video without wasting time, and I will show you step by step. So first of all, we have tools that's called GoHighLevel, in which we will customize or handles or design our websites, our funnels, our landing pages, our booking forms and calendars. I will show you one of examples so you will get idea. Here you can see here is a dentist, one of my dentist client. He make just amazing websites. Here you can see that's amazing website he designed. I designed for him. It's under GoHighLevel, and it's a super easy. You see it's a drag and drop. You can just change it, you can just change the color, image, whatever you want to change. It's a simple drag and drop. And also here you can see full of it's, and it's a mobile responsive as well. And here you can see it's a mobile responsive. You can handle all things on a one place. If you're a dentist, you know how these things work. And you can manage your website, you can design your website's landing page, and you can link with form, calendar in just one place. And also you can run automations mean once someone book appointment, you can start sending them emails and SMS in just one click. It will be do automatically. You don't need to do a manual anything here. And the main option is that miss call text back. So for example, you have a number, when someone miss call you, it will be automatically send text back, hey, we are available for this time for call, and we can do a this time appointment, we can do whatever you can want to send. It's when someone do a miss call, not available, your customer is busy, you can do a quick call as well. And also you re-engagement campaigns. So for example, you have list of customer, you want to send them, reactivate them, you can create a database reactivation campaign where you can upload your all contact. It will be automatically sent to the customer, and they will engage again. And also I will show you some of booking system or their automations. Like for example, I just go here in our automations. I can show you here a few of automations. Like for example, not this one, I just show you booking one, not this one also. Just go back and I will show you here. I don't know what's happening here. I just go with this one. Yes, we have this send SMS, send emails, no communication. It all these things go automatically. If it's a call workflow as well, and call miss call text back automations as well, it's run smoothly with this system. I just show you automation so you will get idea. Here you can see if the pipeline state change, we will send emails and SMS. So what is pipeline? Basically I can show you what is pipeline. Pipeline is a journey of user where we can track our customer. So for example, it's a new client, it's a first call, it's a second call, it's a third call, it's appointment schedules, no show, no communications. We can make different pipeline and stages here, and we can easily manage all things here. And also I just go to the site area, and I have show you sites. And the next thing is that booking system. You can make your own calendars, not one calendar, you can make lots of calendar, and you can sync with your Google Calendar, your Microsoft calendars, and even you can link with your Yahoo calendars as well. And auto configurations and reminder setter for your all types of customer and all types of needs. So for example, someone book appointment with you. So what's happened on a backend? On backend, it's going to be a same thing happening. I just show you what's happening on a backend. When someone book appointment, it will be we will go to the automations, and I will show you. Yeah, here we can see here is when someone book appointment, what's happening on a backend. I will show you in a while. Let's you see pipeline state change. We will say here no appointment schedules. If appointment is not booked, we will send this SMS automatically. If the appointment booked, we will send another SMS. We will say your appointment is done, and we will send follow-ups as well. And also it's a similar like if the appointment is cancelled, if the more reschedules, whatever the user action perform, we will do automatically. All these automation, we will start sending them emails and SMS as well. And here is our calendars where you can manage all your appointment, list of appointment, and your calendar as well. It's a super easy you handles, and I can show you some other calendars. There we have thousands of calendar, you can use it for your other business. And right now there is no calendar, you can simply create calendars. It's a super easy. Let me go back and we will say we will learn about lead tracking, patient pipeline, and tag based segmentations. As I show you opportunities few seconds ago, here we can manage our customer journey and we will create new pipeline. It's just super easy. Just I go to the add opportunity or create pipeline. I will show you in a while. So here we have pipeline, we can create according to our requirements. So for example, I just go to the pipeline section. In pipeline, I will say just create new pipeline, put the name like test, we will say patient name, we will add another one, patients engaged, we will say patients done, we will patients book appointment, whatever the scenario is, we can put here and we will manage easily in step by step, and I will guide them each step, and we will send them follow-ups and emails and SMS on each step. For example, they book call, they not book, they leads connected, we can send them easy follow-ups and all things in a just one place. And also the main thing is that you can manage your reputation management, you can manage your review automatically, and you can get your 5-star review on your cleaning Google My Business, and you will make money with it, and you can rank them on a Google My Business. It's a super easy. I just go back here, I just go to here reputation management system. We will link we will link Google My Business with here, and we will automatically send a response and automatically send emails. Here you can say send review request. We can add all our customer list here and simply just send review request. It will be ghost review request, and it will be sent via emails, via SMS, via WhatsApp, and they can give us a review. We will send them a funnels or logo where we will say if they not log in, and they will go to the other place. If they give us a 2-star, they automatically post on your private. If they give a 5-star or 4.5 star, it will be automatically placed on your Google My Business, your Yelp, and your Facebook page as well. So same here we have marketing outreach where we can make email campaign, SMS campaign, social media scheduling, and funnels and lead magnets as we have discussed earlier. And here is the main things. We have reporting system completely. We can report everything. We can manage ROI, we can manage campaign performance as well. Here we have reporting section where we can manage all reports here. It's a super easy, just we can do drag and drop reporting system, and you can design whatever report you want. It's a super easy. So yeah, that's it from this video. If you don't have these tools, you can go with my link description box below, and I will set up these all things for you, for funnels, for automations, for everything. I can set up you free of cost if you buy GoHighLevel with my affiliate. Either if you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com and book your free consultation here, and I will jump with your call. I will guide you step by step. Thank you so much for watching this video.